Eva drawings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Let's draw this awesome Pikachu with me today. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go! Let's start our drawing of Pikachu with the line of his head. We continue the line, drawing his left ear. We follow his face on the left side and draw his cute little cheek. Well done! Now we go around his body to his left foot. We draw his little left foot step by step. Pikachu is known for his bright yellow color and his red cheeks. Besides its adorable appearance, Pikachu has several interesting qualities and curiosities. Let's draw his two front paws and the base of his little body step by step. Pikachu is the best friend of Trainer Ash Ketchum and is always ready to help and protect his friends. He is an electric Pokémon, capable of generating electricity and unleashing powerful attacks like Thunder Shock. That's it, very good. Now we draw its right foot. Yes, very good. We draw the line of his little body and begin the lines of his tail. There, that's perfect. To finish our drawing of Pikachu, we will draw his right cheek. Now we draw the lines of his long tail. Yes, very good. We draw the line of his little face. We draw his right ear step by step. That's great! Our drawing of Pikachu is now beginning to appear. We will draw the details of our Pikachu. First we paint the tips of both ears step by step. Now we draw his left eye. We draw his little nose and his cute mouth. Well done! Finally we draw his right eye. It's looking very good. Wow! We have finished the outline of our Pikachu drawing. He is beautiful. If you like our drawing so far, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new drawings. Yes, well done. Now let's paint. I have already separated the three colors that we will use to paint our cute Pikachu. To begin our painting, we will use the color yellow to paint the whole body of our famous character. Pikachu is one of the most popular and beloved Pokémon, known for its cuteness and its electric abilities. Nowadays, Pikachu has become a symbol of the Pokémon franchise, being recognized and loved by fans around the world. Well done! Now we will use the color orange to paint the details of our Pikachu's little body. We'll paint its little feet, its little tummy, and its chin. It's getting really good. Still in orange, we will paint the details of his tail and his two ears. Well done! Our Pikachu is getting perfect. To finish our painting, we will use the color red to paint an electrical detail of its tail. Well done! Still in red, we will paint the two cute cheeks of his little face. Yes, very good. Our Pokémon Pikachu is beautiful. Wow! Our drawing of Pikachu is complete. My little friends, our drawing of our cute Pikachu looks wonderful. Drawing and coloring with me was a really cool and fun way to learn about Pikachu. Congratulations! The drawing was amazing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now you can like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any new drawing. I will always bring new drawings here. A super kiss from Ava and see you soon. Ava drawings!